In this video, I will show you exactly how to show or hide the document grid in CorelDRAW. This is a very useful feature when you need to align objects with precision or maintain consistent spacing throughout your design projects. To get started, you will need to look at the very top of your workspace where the main menu bar is located. Move your mouse cursor up there and click on the menu option labeled View. Once the drop-down menu opens up, you will see a variety of display options for your canvas. Look through the list until you find the word Grid. Instead of clicking it immediately, simply hover your mouse pointer over it. This will cause a secondary side menu to appear with more specific choices. Within this new menu, you should see an option called Document Grid. This is the main toggle switch for your grid lines. If you click on Document Grid and a check mark appears next to it, the grid lines will instantly become visible across your entire drawing canvas. These lines act as a helpful visual guide for your layout work. On the other hand, if you want a cleaner look and wish to remove those lines, just click the option again. When there is no check mark next to Document Grid, those lines will be hidden from view, giving you a clear look at your artwork without any background interference. You can toggle this back and forth as many times as you like while you work on your graphic design. It is a simple matter of going to the View menu and adjusting the grid settings to suit your current needs. Whether you are snapping objects to a specific position or simply want a blank slate to evaluate your colors, knowing how to control the document grid is a fundamental skill for every CorelDRAW user to master.